And of course, tracking strong winds here locally. We can already feel those south winds kicking in and bringing some warmer air with it. Expecting that to continue over the next couple of days. Gusts already over 20 miles per hour in some locations. Sustained winds anywhere from 15 to 20 right now. And we do expect those winds to even become stronger this afternoon. May see some gusts as high as about 35 miles per hour, especially say along the I-64 corridor back into southwest Illinois. Really talking Jackson, Perry, Jefferson counties, also parts of southeast Missouri, anywhere from Bollinger to Madison and Cape Girardeau counties. Winds will relax just a bit later on this evening briefly, and then tomorrow afternoon expecting the winds to continue out of the south. That keeps the warming trend intact. We'll see temperatures today near 50 and then tomorrow closing in on 60 degrees, so quite a change. Live views coming in from across the region. I really want you to pay attention here. Look how much snow is still on the ground in places like Carbondale, and then farther northward in Mount Vernon. Well, they didn't pick up as much snow, especially early Monday morning. So a lot of what fell has already begun to melt. Same in Poplar Bluff. So there is still some snow around. It's not going to be around for much longer, though, as we do have some big changes on the way. Temperatures right now outside into the lower 40s in most locations. 43 in Pinckneyville. Mount Vernon also reporting 43 degrees. McLeansboro, you're at 41 currently. Ridgeway and Gallatin County still at 39. A little cooler in the Wabash River Valley still. 46 in Vienna and Anna right now at 43. Mid to upper 40s already across parts of western Kentucky. Benton, Kentucky at 46. Meanwhile, 40 in Fredericktown. Sykeston, Missouri, though, reporting 45 degrees. This afternoon, closing in on 50 in most locations. I don't think many in southern Illinois are going to quite crack 50 today, especially with some of the snow still on the ground. However, tomorrow even warmer, expecting high temperatures, upper 50s across southern Illinois, some 60s possible into southeast Missouri, and there is a chance we could see an isolated shower or two during the afternoon hours, maybe some patchy drizzle more than anything. I still think there's going to be a lot of dry time on Thursday. That all changes very quickly, though, Thursday night and into Friday, as we do expect a pretty strong storm system to make its way out of the plains and into the Midwest, tracking very close to our region. And this is going to bring waves of some heavier rain, maybe some rumbles of thunder. Not anticipating any severe weather, but some of that rain is going to be pretty heavy. Right now, this is kind of the general look for it. We think about an inch on average, southern Illinois, western Kentucky, a little bit more into southeast Missouri. There are more and more signs, though, that point to a streak here, maybe a pretty narrow band of some very heavy rainfall, and we're talking maybe more than 2 inches of rain. So especially with the snow melt, we could see some minor flooding issues. It's all going to depend exactly where the storms are going to track and train over the same areas. But it's not the only chance for wet weather. Rain moves out pretty quickly Saturday morning. Sunday, New Year's Day, is a dry day, but then more rain in the forecast for Monday, and the potential's there for more heavy rain. And unfortunately, we may even be tracking a chance for some stronger storms. Storm Prediction Center has much of our region outlooked for Monday. So something we'll be tracking here through the weekend. Again, Friday looking like a washout. The weekend, a lot of dry time. I think your New Year's Eve plans, no concerns there. Sunday, waking up in the 40s, afternoon highs in the upper 50s. We're in the 60s Monday, and then another system moves through, and that does bring some cooler air in. Brooke, it's just nice. It's amazing how warm the 40s feel compared to what we saw last week.
Just the, big ramp up in the temperatures is pretty amazing, because you guys were talking about the wind chills and a 90-degree difference from the Thursdays in a week.
It is very shocking for sure.
All right, well, thanks.